Look, everybody doing their work. Houses are almost built. It's crazy. Take a couple of days to do all this. Well, not a couple of days, but yeah, a couple of weeks. Not bad. All you
This is an older one, probably going to sit
Look at it.
dry, so maybe it's a little thinner. So I want to go up there and I don't want to fight this, so maybe I'll make another sauce with you and light this up a little bit to make sure I can't clean this out. Yeah, after I get this wise.
This thing with a spot box.
If he didn't care about you, he wouldn't do that.
What you gotta say? Aye, aye, Captain.
Aye, aye, Captain. There's only one captain in the ship, and it's him.
Look, he even got the label on his shirt, Paul.
Join the military. Military's good.
Screw the military. Some motherfuckers ain't doing nothing for me.
We protect our country. Military's good. If you're in gangs or nothing, nowhere place to go, military's for
A gang is a military.
Same thing. They
Same shit. Shoot and kill, yeah, and that's just what it is.
Alright, just remember.
Just remember. They do not give you no money, because if you, look, military, look where he at right now. School. Military done that for you. School.
Bigger than the span that you have. No, I'm kidding. That's what it tells me. You gonna have him on Facebook? Put your Facebook.
I was gonna say Max talking shit.
Listen, you know that when you film a teacher, you're supposed to ask first.
I'm not filming. I'm taking a picture.
So figure out what needs to happen there. Am I leaving a little gap in the heel on this side and a little gap on the heel to make that rafter, that ridgeboard drop a bit? If your span is bigger here,
There go you, Katie, right there. Yeah, your little boo.
What's your span right here?
Wait. He's got floats on.
Leave an 8-inch gap on the heel.
Look at that shit over there.
Gap on the heel. That can drop the ridge a little bit. A little bit more. Now you're cooking. Now you're cooking with gas.
Yeah.